We're going to talk about simple interest today, and before we do it, let's just solve this two-note question. So when you find the commission rate, the percent is going to be, you have to find the par to whole. You're going to use the same strategy, and percent, please copy this down, percent to 100. So we're looking for this guy, right? We're looking for this guy, and we know the part and then we know the whole. You're going to earn $2,500 when you sold this amount of cars. So now I'm going to put part and whole. I'm going to just rewrite it again. So part, which is 2,500, and the whole, and we're looking for percent, 200. You may just do cross multiplication now, but I would simplify first. So divided by 100 divided by 100. So now I'm going to put 25 over 500 is equal to x over 100. I know you still can simplify more, but I'll just do cross multiplication here, which is 2500. And I'm going to do this way, which is 500x. So now it's going to be 500x is equal to 2,500. So x is equal to 5. So you just find the percent. So the answer is going to be 5%. Many people didn't put this percent symbol on the quiz, so I took some points off for that to make sure that you put the percent sign on the unit test. Interest is money paid or earned for the use of money. So for the use of money, I need you to put a little box. So the money amount, the money you paid or the money you earned for the use of money. So, and we need to know one more term. It's principal. Principal is the amount of money borrowed or deposited. So this is like the starting money, starting number. And then the spelling was AL here. So principal, and simple interest is money earned or paid only on the principal. Only, I need you to circle it, and then I need you to put a little star. There is two different kinds of interest, like simple interest and compound interest, that you're going to learn later. Compound interest. Difference between compound and simple. The compound interest, you're going to get money, you're going to earn money on the principal and the interest that you earned in the previous month or a previous year. But simple interest, you only get money, you only earn money on the principal, only on the principal, like only on the amount of money that you deposit in the beginning. So simple interest, there's a formula. So you're going to multiply the principal to the rate, which is the percent annual interest rate, which is R, and principal is here, P, and the amount of time. If you multiply these three things, then you will get the interest. So this is a definition. You're going to use this tool. You're going to use this formula. So try to remember this. So you put $500 in the savings account. So everyone knows that this is what? This is principal. This is the amount of money that you deposit in the beginning. The account earns 3% simple interest. So this is going to be what? This is going to be the rate, R, right? The percent, and per year. So what is interest earned after 3 years? 3, this is going to be time. So we have three things. So now we have no problem to find the simple interest. And we know the formula, I is equal to PRT. And P, principal, so you just plug in and R, you really want to put 3% for R, but we don't put percent in the equation. So you have to change this to decimal. So 3%, it's actually 3.0, right? So find the percent, you have to move decimal to the left by 2. So it's going to be 0.02, or you can also change this to 3% is 3 out of what? 3 out of 100, right? And then we read this 300th, which is 300th. So choose easier way. So now the interest is going to be 0.03. 0.03 times by how many years? 3 years. So you're going to multiply 3. So let's multiply 500 and 0.03 first. 500 and 0.03. So this is going to be, well, 500 times by 3, 1,500. And then you move a decimal how many times? Twice. So it's going to be 15. So now 15 times by 3, which is $45. So $45 means the amount of money that you will earn when you deposit $500 at 3% interest for 3 years. Then the bank will give you $45 in 3 years. Because you let the bank use this $500 so that bank can invest this money to a company, or they just they try to use your money to get more money, like to invest it, or so that just you let them use it and you earned some amount of money for the use of the money. The interest earned is how much is it? $45 after 3 years. So let's just find the balance. Let's find the balance. So this is the interest. So in your balance, you're going to add the interest to the principal. So in 3 years, you in your bank account, then you're going to have 545. This is going to be the interest, right? So the total is going to be how much? 545. So the balance is going to be 500 plus 45. So it is $545 after 3 years. So many people will do mistake. I guarantee that many people will do mistake on the quiz or test. If I ask you to find the balance, they might be just answering like, oh, 45. No, I'm asking the balance, which means what is a total amount of money, including the interest. So you have to add the interest to the principal. I'm going to go over 2 questions here, 4 and 6. So remember, I is equal to PRT. So we're looking for the interest. So what is a principal here? I is equal to, how much is a principal? This is P. And 5% R, 2 years, T. 600. And we're not using the percent itself in the equation. So you have to change this to 500th, which is 0.05 times by 2. So now let's just multiply these first. 600 times by 0.05 and 600 times by 5 is 3,000. And how many times you move a decimal? You move decimal twice. 1, 2. So it's going to be 30. So this is going to be 30 times by 2, which is 60. So $60, you're going to earn $60 extra dollars after 2 years if you deposit $600 at 5% in the bank.